Hi, and welcome to this correction to the previous video. Unfortunately, I rejoiced too soon. A forum member brought my attention to another issue which kills even my workaround. Everything I showed is still valid and works as long as you work in the same session. However, as soon as you save and reload your project, even the information for the browser method gets killed. After reloading the project, there is no way anymore to let the plugin show its currently used preset in any way. I opened a thread in Loop Talk, so please, if you like to bring the attention of the devs to this problem, give it a thumbs up and leave your comment there. I put the link in the description, and the more people participate in this topic, the more we will get noticed. So I'm very sorry. I hope to show you a working solution. But sadly it's just a limited workaround. Until this is fixed, or at least changed, there are still just the old ways to note the preset's name in the text file, save your own version of it, or include it in the generator's or effect slot's name. Anyway, life goes on, and there will be another video today where I will reveal the first change I was working on. So stay tuned, and thank you for watching.